In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Charles Schwab Stock Screener. This powerful tool is designed to help investors find stocks that meet specific criteria. Whether you're interested in price, market capitalization, dividend yield, or earnings growth, Schwab has you covered. It offers both predefined screens and the option to create your own custom screens, which you can save for future use. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this tool. First, you'll need to sign into your Schwab account. Open the Schwab mobile app, or if you're on a computer, go to Schwab's website in your browser. Enter your account details and sign in. This step is crucial because it ensures you have access to all the features of the stock screener. Once you're logged in, it's time to open the stock screener. If you're accessing Schwab's website, tap or click on the Research tab. From there, select Stocks and then choose the Stock Screener option. This will take you to the main interface where you can begin your search. Now, if you're new to stock screening, you might want to start with a predefined screen. Schwab has created several predefined screens to match various investing styles. Browse through these options and select one that aligns with your strategy. You'll see a list of stocks that meet the criteria of the screen you've chosen. This can be a great way to familiarize yourself with the types of stocks available and how they fit into different investment strategies. If you're ready to create a custom screen, this is where you can really tailor the search to your needs. Select the New Screen option. Here, you can add filters such as stock price, market capitalization, P/E ratio, dividend yield, earnings growth, and return on equity, also known as ROE. Custom screens are particularly valuable because they allow you to zero in on the specific factors most important to your investment goals. After you've selected your criteria, tap View Matches. Schwab will then display all the stocks that meet your requirements. This step provides a curated list of potential investments, saving you time and effort in the research process. Next up, you have the option to compare stocks. Select up to 5 stocks from your results and tap Compare. This feature will let you review key metrics side by side. Comparing stocks in this way can give you a clearer understanding of which options might be the best fit for your portfolio. Finally, if you've created a screen that you find particularly useful, it's a good idea to save it for future use. Tap Save Screen, give it a memorable name, and you're all set. You can run this save screen whenever you want updated results. By saving your custom screen, you create a valuable resource that you can easily revisit, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest stock information. And there you have it. You now know how to use the Charles Schwab Stock Screener to find stocks that align with your investment strategy. With practice, this tool will become an integral part of your investment research. Thanks for watching and happy investing!